absolute path and the relative path. What are these? Basically, what does the word absolute mean? Absolute means the complete. So absolute path means the complete path, whereas relative means the shortest path. So the shortest path of a particular file. If I say absolute path, I mean the complete path. These paths start with a / sign, whereas relative path means the shortest path. These doesn't start with a / sign. So let us see both of them with an example. If I create a file, if I create a folder called maybe ABS, and if I go to that folder, and in the folder ABS, if I create a file called Pathnames, and I'll add some content inside the file. So hey, it's me Sahil, how are you? I will add this inside the path name, Pathnames. So now what is the absolute path of the file path name? So what is the absolute what is the absolute path of the file path name? So the absolute path starts with a / sign. So the absolute path name for this file will be the PWD, the present working directory. So this will be the home directory, the / the home directory, then the Sahil, then the folder ABS, then the file name, which is the path name. If I want to get the content of this file, I'll type cat / home Sahil, then ABS, then the path name PATHNAMES, which is the file name. And I'll get the content. Now this is the absolute path name. What is the relative path? Suppose that inside the same directory ABS, I'll create another directory called maybe 1. Okay, 1. And inside the 1, I'll create another directory called 2. And I'll go to the second directory. Now, how can I get the content of the file path name without actually typing the whole path? This is basically the relative path, the shortest path. So for getting the content of the file PATH path name, I'll go to the previous directory, which will be 1, and after that I'll again go to the previous directory, which will be ABS. After that, I can easily get the content of the file path name. So for that, I'll type cat. Now I'll go to the previous directory. So for that, I'll type / and /. So right now I'm in the directory 1. Now here I want to go to the previous directory again. So for that, I'll type / and /. So right now I'm in the directory ABS. Now I want to get the content of the file PATHNAMES. So I'll type the name of the file, which is PATHNAMES. And if I hit enter, I'll get the content of the file. This is the relative path name. Relative means the shortest path name, whereas absolute means the complete path name. The absolute path name starts with a /, whereas the relative doesn't start with the /. This is the basic difference between the absolute path name and the relative path name. Thank you.